Everyone in the world has their own language. These languages may be different or similar. Somali language. There are many languages that have many words in common. These languages include Arabic. There are many Somali words that have their origin in Arabic. Today I would like to share with you the common words between Arabic and Somali. Follow the scene to the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If I start the program, the first word is bed. Bed in the Somali language is sarir. Also a bed in Arabic is
السرير.
The second word is door. The door in Somali language is albab. Also in Arabic language is
الباب.
The third word is lunch. Lunch in Somali language is kado. Also in Arabic language is
الغداء.
The fourth word is dinner. Dinner in Somali language is
عشاء.
Also the Arabic language is
عشاء.
The words noon and morning are the same in both languages. Duhur.
دهر. دهر. صباح. صباح.
There are many words that are the same in both languages. Danger, gun, minister, sultan, mattress, book, the pen, bathroom, key, line, wipe, vegetables. All these words in both languages are the same in sound and meaning. Not only this, but there are many more, and we will discuss it in our next post. Inshallah. Thank you for watching. Here is Aksan TV. Please subscribe and like to keep up with the latest features.